But yeah, I mean, basically 1Wheel parts. You know, we're a manufacturer of 1Wheel accessories. Our main claim to fame, I guess, is printing directly to polycarbonate, which is like a bulletproof glass or plastic, if you want to call it. We make skid guards. We make the one-piece rail protection instead of 4 pieces on your side rails. It's just one solid piece. We're also printing to grip tape. We're printing to the FlightFin fenders that we're making. We're also doing the FlightFin fenders out of a polycarbonate. We're also putting, I guess, tapered legs on the end of it, which allow it to lock in so it's not going to fall out. We also offer a lifetime warranty on those. We're also a full service center, or we're growing into a full service center right now. We're cranking out the tires and basically putting all the accessories on. Where's that tire at?
Oh, right here.
This is, okay, so this is a Hoosier. So this is from Craft and Ride?
Yes. No, or from...
No, FlightFins.
FlightFins. Yeah.
FlightFins. Okay.
So did you commission an artist to do all this graffiti, or did you do it yourself?
Yeah, no, I'm an artist. So I actually have like an in-house artist that does all the artwork for the 1Wheels, and him and his nephew did all the graffiti. Much better when it's bolted down.
Yeah. And what is it, like glue or slime?
No, just slime. So the way slime works is fiber, Kevlar fiber, like hair, right?
Okay.
And when you get holes, which you will, you'll get hundreds of holes in these tires, hundreds.
Really?
Yes. Like my tire, before I replaced it, this slime started like getting liquidier or something, and water, when I get my board in the morning, there's like water droplets all over my board, and I was like, what is this? It was just the liquid separating from the slime and showing me where all the holes were. So without the slime, you're finished. Like you'll get popped. Like you'll get a flat tire probably your first time out.
Yeah.
But with the slime, it definitely stops. Like I don't ever get flat tires. But yeah, I got hundreds of holes.
Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Is it like super different to ride with this wheel?
Yes and no. So you don't have much mileage on it. So now's the time to do it. Okay. So I changed my first tire out after 1,500 miles. It took me 20 miles
to get
back to where I was like, okay, I'm good again.
Yeah.
But then after that, I was doing so much I never did before, you know?
Yeah.
I was like so happy about the decision. But at first I was like, crap, I should have just kept it on, you know?
Yeah.
plan in the future to be doing the maintenance on the battery systems, changing out control boards and things like that. So make sure to give us a check out on onewheelparts.com.